While New York may still be the official fashion capital of the country, Los Angeles has inarguably caught up to that reputation. Fashion design is among the largest, most established, and fast-growing industries in California. TradeTech's fashion design, fashion technology, tailoring, and costume design programs offer specialized training for all areas of apparel design and manufacturing that drive this exciting and creative industry. In fashion design and fashion technology programs, students get hands-on training in current methods of garment construction, pattern making, grading and design, as well as software programs widely used in the industry. The Tailoring Certificate program covers all aspects of the pattern making and construction techniques necessary to complete tailored garments, including bespoke men's garments such as trousers, jackets, and coats. The Costume Technology program provides instruction in the production of garments for theater, film, television, and the entertainment industry. Students who complete this program will be prepared to enter careers in costume houses, theaters, as well as film and television studios. Our state-of-the-art facilities include design rooms equipped with industrial sewing machines, cutting tables, and computer labs, where students can master traditional skills along with the latest technology. Upon completing our program, students are equipped with the skills necessary for various careers in the global fashion industry. This is the first step towards a successful career in fashion.